Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to solve the sample paper grammar section. That means we are going to solve the grammar section of the sample paper 211 English language and literature for class 10. So here are the questions. So without wasting time, let me start the video. See, the question is complete any 10. That means you are to attempt any 10 out of 12. Okay, so but we will discuss all the 12 here. So the first question is fill in the blank by using the correct form of the word in the bracket for the given portion of a letter. Dear sir, in response to your query, the document that dash our country's sustainability initiatives has been attached for your consideration. So this has is telling us that this question is of present tense. Okay, so that means we are to fill either first form or first form plus s or es as per the subject. So here the subject is the document, that is singular subject. So the rule of subject verb agreement is singular subjects take singular verbs. So the answer would be explains, that is the singular verb. Second question. Read the given sentence and identify the error and supply the correction. So read the sentence carefully. The uniquely flavored dish was interestingly enough to captivate my taste buds. So with enough means we use first form, and you can see two adverbs are here, uniquely and interestingly. So we need to change this one. So the answer would be interesting enough. So the uniquely flavored dish was interesting enough to captivate my taste buds. So the error is, you can draw such kind of box in your answer sheet and you are to write down the error, and then correction would be interesting. Okay, both the things are to be mentioned, otherwise you will get no marks or maybe half marks. Third question. Rashi and Ratul had a conversation about a volunteer work. Report Rashi's question. That means you are to change this part into indirect speech. So this is a question. What challenges have you faced while volunteering? So Rashi, this is a question. So asked. Said to will change into asked Ratul. Now check if we will use if or not. So the question is beginning with what, that is a WHE family word. So we won't use any connector here. So what, we will use what as it is, then challenges, then we first change the person, you is the second person, change according to Ratul, he, then has have change into had, and the rest of the sentence will remain the same. Okay, so this will be the answer, that is Rashi asked Ratul what challenges he had faced while volunteering. Now the fourth question, that is once again of reported speech. Read the dialogue between a librarian and a student. So librarian, welcome back, it's good to see you. Young man, student, thanks, I was overloaded with assignments, so I have not visited the library this week. First of all, identify which part is to be changed. So here the student thanked and explained that, so this part has been done and this has been left, which had limited his recent visits to the library. This one is also done. So we have to change this one. I was overloaded. Now remind the changes that we need to make. Isam are changed into was were and was were changed into had been. If you know this, you can easily identify the correct option because only one A option is having had been. In the B there is has been, in the C option was, and D is. So the correct option will be A. Next is question number 5, the revised meeting agenda. See, this is the singular subject. The revised meeting agenda is attached and dash needs to be emailed to all participants before the meeting. And this, those or it. So this or those, these won't be used here. So the answer would be it. And this question is of determiners. Next question, sixth number question is identify the error and supply the correction. This is the easiest one question in this question paper. You can easily see the statement is or the sentence is we offers, right? So we is a plural subject and offers is a singular verb. So here is the error. We can't change the subject but we can change the verb. So we is the plural subject and we use offer, that is the plural verb here. So the error is offers and the correction is offer. See the seventh one. Select the option. Now you have been given 4 options and the question is same about error correction. So the sentence is the campaign's goal is to increase physical activity among the younger. If you can identify that younger is the error here and youth will be the correct answer, then you can easily find out the correct option, the answer, that is C. But suppose if you are not able to do so, then what would you can do? The another option is you can uh, try all the 4 1. See the first of all activity. If we replace activity with activities, then what would the sentence be? The campaign's goal is to increase physical activities among the younger. So it may be the correct option, right? So keep it. See the next one, goal and goals. So the campaign's goal is the singular verb. So we can't change goal because if we are changing goal into goals, then we need to change is into are as well. So this is wrong. So B option is wrong. And then once again is changing into are. So this can't be done because if we change is into are, then we need to change goal into goals. That means we need to make 2 corrections and that is not possible, right? So increase physical activity. So physical activity is the correct word, right? This is referring to all the physical activities, right? So the correct option or the answer is this one, younger. This will change into youth because youth is a collective noun that is used for all youngsters, okay, and younger, that is not the correct word. Now moving on to the next question, question number 8. The internship at the tech startup had me dash excited about the potential of innovation and entrepreneurial uh, spirit. So 4 options are there: feeling, felt, to feel and feels. See, first of all, with had, we can't use to feel and feels. With had, we either use third form or first form plus ing. So we can't use to feel and feels. 2 options have been deleted. Now the confusion is in these 2. So the internship at the tech startup had me, see, felt excited. So felt and excited both may be the third form of verb, or if it is the third form, then what should we do with this one? Excited. So had plus third form is there, excited. So two third form or second form and third form, they can't come together. So here we will use feeling. Okay, so A is the correct option. Now the ninth question, that is of reported speech. Vendor, you look a little different today. Customer, yes, I just got a new haircut. First of all, you can easily identify that this part is to be changed. So the customer admitted this. So yes part is already done. I just got a new haircut. This one we are to change. Citing the fact that I, first of all, we need to change I, that is the first person, son, 1 2 3, first person change according to subject. Subject is the customer. So he just got is the second form, right? So second form will change into had plus third form, right? So he had got. Now the just word is left, so it will come here. He had just got a new haircut. Okay, so this will be the correct answer. Now question number 10. Fill in the blank by choosing the correct option to complete the sentence. Update the result of the regional science fair. To update, okay. So we have exciting news to share. We have is telling that this question is of present tense. That means awarded is wrong, was awarded is wrong, had awarded is also wrong, because all these three are of past tense. So the correct answer is has been awarded. D. Now 11th number question is, this is of subject verb agreement. You are to fill in the blank. First read, the morning dew captures your essence, singular subject, singular verb. The flowers and grass dash your color. So flowers and grass, this is plural, plural subject. So the correct answer is A, that is the plural verb reflect. Okay, so in this way you can easily trace the answer. Now the 12th one is, identify the error and supply the correction. Once again, this is of error correction. The sentence given is, the public health campaign aimed in increase awareness of the risk associated with underage drinking. Now see, there may be numerous confusions. First, just to try to identify which words we can't change. The, public, health, campaign, this we can't change. Okay, these all are the subjects and the other words. We can make the correction in aimed, in, increase, then awareness, that is not to be changed, of, the, not change, risk associated with underage drinking, with we can change. Okay, so now just see, we can change the 4 or 5 words: aimed, in, then increase, and with. So associated with, associated किस मतलब, we always use with associated, so this can't be changed. Now the confusion is in these three: aimed or in or increase. So we can change aimed into aims, right? But then we never use in with aimed. So one more correction is to be made. So this option is wrong. Aimed will remain the same. Now let's talk about in. If we change in into at, then we need to change increase as well, right? The, means the public health campaign aimed at increase. No, this will be changed into increasing. So two changes we can't make. So this point is also wrong. So now what we can do? If we change increase into increasing, then once again we need to change in as well. So we know that we always use first form with to. So here we can't change the form, that is increase. Aimed we can't change. So we can change in into to. Now read the sentence. The public health campaign aimed to increase awareness of the risk associated with underage. So the correction is in will change into to, because if we change in into to, then there is no need to change aimed or increase, because we always use first form with to. So increase will remain the same, aimed will also remain the same. So the correction that we can make is in change into to. Okay, so this is the correct answer. So in this way you can means try to find out the answers, and if you practice more you can get full marks in English grammar as well. Okay, so this is all in this video. In the next video we shall try to solve the another sample paper, that is set number 2. Okay, so thank you, see you in the